I think it's time. Yes, it's time to bring history back to life.
Cool, it's amazing.
Talks of Wheels TV.
Hello, okay, the video that you're about to see is one of many that I've done of classic transport, collectibles and art prints. So please don't forget to check out those after you've seen this video and to rate them, and please click on the subscribe icon because I'll be doing lots more videos in the future. Okay, thanks and enjoy watching. Hello YouTubians and internet adventurers, welcome to another malfortune mechanical masterpiece. Okay, this set of vintage cards was issued way back in the 1960s by Musgrave Brothers tea blenders. Okay, interesting sets of, well, what was then termed as modern motor cars are classics in their own right these days. So without further ado, let's have a run through. Here we have the Chevrolet Corvette, the Humber Super Snipe Saloon. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a list of all the car models in the description. And here we have the Fiat 600. What else do we have? Fiat 600, Mercedez-Benz 300 SL, the Lynx. Here's a Daimler 2.5 litre sports, Simca Vedette 58. The Soto Diplomat, Triumph Herald, Ford Edsel, Dodge Dart, Citroen DS19, Renault Dauphine, Dauphine, I don't know how you pronounce that. Okay, what else do we have? The Sunbeam Alpine and beautiful Jaguar XK150, Mercury Commuter, Aston Healey Sprite, Corvair, Chrysler, Imperial, what's that? Studebaker Silver Hawk. Yeah, what have we got here? Singer Gazelle estate car, Humber Lynx, convertible, the Cadillac Fleetwood sedan, the AC Greyhound, and finally lovely British Aston Martin DB4 GT. Yeah, great set of cards, great set of T cards, issued way back in the 1960s by Musgrave. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to check out my other classic transport videos of collectibles and art prints.
Please feel free to pop by at my art prints and collectibles gallery at artofwheels.co.uk.
Oh no, I'm afraid we've run out of time. But just before you go, please leave thumbs up below, and if you'd like to see more amazing video clips like this,
Subscribe to the channel
by clicking on the icon up in the sky. Talks of Wheels TV.